the research after the pandemic. So in terms of interviews, questionnaires that were also distributed as part of the quantitative research, but there was no issue as such. But some women, they were not so open to the questions. They were quite reticent because they faced a lot of challenges. But with time, when I studied the situation and the rapport was built, they were able to answer the questions. And maybe with regards to approval also, for the participants to be able to approach them, and I had to seek approval from the relevant authorities. That took some time. But otherwise, the research went smoothly. Even the writing processes, analysis, and of the data, that was okay on my part. But there were a few challenges that could be managed. In fact, as I told you, it was for my postdoctoral degree, so I had to finish and submit my report. So that's why I continued. I had to have publications, but proceedings for conferences and also presentations in conferences. So it was part of my journey to submit my postdoctoral degree. So yes, in fact, what I liked most is the rapid response. Every time I ask something and I get it back, so very rapid. So there is a continuous support that you give to the participants, and this is very reassuring because we know where we are.
Yeah.
And secondly, even when I presented, everything went on smoothly. There was a good organization, and it's not the first time I participated in the conference because in Mauritius also I attended twice.
Yeah.
There was one held in Flic-en-Flac, Middlesex University, and another one at Bagatelle in 2019, before the COVID-19 pandemic.
Before the COVID-19.
2018, yeah, it
Yeah.
was before that. And I hope you come again. We organize conferences. I can also help in organizing. Why not?
Yeah.
And that was a very good experience. Even my colleagues at work, there is one colleague who presented and who also gave a keynote address for one of the conferences.
Yeah.
He also attended in Dubai. So we really appreciate your work, and it really helps us as an academic to have a platform to share our work and also present in conferences.